good production.
You know, go hold me down. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me what you do, where you go, how you dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me a no fan of you. Do me wanna follow you. Me not itch up under no man arm like.
Another YouTube video. Need to give 5 ton, right? So guys, and today is another 8 tutorial. Guys, me know me and come in the 8 tutorial back and back. Me I give you as much as we can, cause next week or next weekend I can't get no more 8 tutorials. That's why. So guys, today I'm going to do a challenge. Basically, you know, TONIANN 5 minutes Tony could get your short and thing. But guess what? Today I gotta be your short and thing. So as me I say, I gotta do like part yasso. Last it pop up my part yasso and bring it round. I doubt it if I can come round and catch it up. But maybe I not do that. Maybe if I can't bring, I'm not gonna bring it round. If the picture come round, but I'm not gonna bring it round. I bring my one way down here, so and this round and bring it down. And see if I could have joined them, but if not join them, just stay with the ear pan it. So guys, like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. So I'm on bath, wash my hair and come back. So guys, I'm gonna play the video with me and bed. I'm not gonna hear my voice, but I'm not see me. So guys, I'm about to just go down the house, about to have a fresh. So I'm gonna start the camera. I'm in the bathroom and do anything. So people here when I never start the camera, I'm end up don't do it till Z. So baby loves, I'm gonna come here right now because guys, look at this. Guys, it's true, depends on the area them use. I'm gonna use it black. Yeah guys, me I look on it and I look like say them part it so and like them bring it so and then maybe them catch it. I don't know, my ear shut or my ear back of my ear shut, so I can't go in it. So like the video and share, subscribe and turn the post notification bell. So let's go.
Real hot girl shit.
DA got that dope.
That ain't the baby, that's my baby.
Her friends and her mom hate me. Go. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me none that puss in a while. She had the boy waiting, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds with sex? What's your name? Keisha, Key, Jasmine, Kiera, Megan, go, Lisa, Ashley, Sierra, Sarah. She got her hands on her knees with her ass in the air. Who that little bitch a player? If her friends ain't around to record it, she been over shake.
Juicy Alex, on tournament, remix. Kingston, at the same time too. Forget them now, vamos. Benetta, bubble. Forget them now, we know. And nobody else. We're worldwide star. Oh, the source is giving back. Them local. Commoners, them thing really. Oh, say. Madam Bad. Benetta Clark, forget them. The germs them.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to X me.
I'm a brush.
Real hot girl shit. DA got that dope. That ain't the baby, that's my baby. Her friends and her mom hate me. Go. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me none that puss in a while. She had the boy waiting, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds with sex? What's your name? Keisha, Key, Jasmine, Kiera, Megan, go, Lisa, Ashley, Sierra, Sarah. She got her hands on her knees with her ass in the air. Who that little bitch a player? If her friends ain't around to record it, she been over shake that little ass in the mirror. Like, what a nigga gotta do for your number? Shorty came through with that hair so good, I said, fuck it, I ain't using no rubber. Way she make that ass bounce like I love her. Got that ass in that mouth from my mother. Type to make your baby mad, you in trouble. NBA playoffs, that ass, it's a bubble. Like, come on. Throw that ass back. That's my baby. Her friends and her mom hate me. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me none that puss in a while. She had the boy waiting, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds with sex? What's your name? Real hot girl shit. girl shit. And if the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Look at how I body that, ate it up and gave it back. Yeah, you look good, but they still wanna know we're making it. Saucy like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num 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 num, eat it up. Go play okay 3, 2, 1. You know I'm the hottest. You ain't never gotta heat me up. I'm present when I'm asking, speaking when I'm not there. Call them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. I'm a hot ebony, they gon' click it if it's me. All my features been getting these niggas through the quarantine. Bitch, I'm very well on my shit as you could tell. Any hoe got beef from years ago is beefing by herself. If we took a trip on the real creep tip, bitch, rule number 1 is don't repeat that shit. Rule number 2, if they all came with you, they better know exactly what the fuck they came to do. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. The category is body. Look at the way it's sitting. That ratio so out of control. That waist that ass that hitting. If I were me and I would've seen myself, I would have bought me a drink. Took me home, did me long, ate it with the pennies on. Had to build a house with all the brick I got. Bitches spend a lifetime trying to get this high. And if her head too big, I could make that pop. I'm not the one to play with, like a touch me not. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Some of them I lose. Yo, club. The youngest lad. Them can't style me, move on side me. But no one for Mercury, so best to no avoid me. Notice I'm calm on me, addressing them kindly. Oh la la, hey, enough of them say them with the thing. And I'm up behind your back for try to clip your wing, know that. I posted them from them this the ring. Couldn't see already, I said them answer the shit. For sing, fool them just attack it, but all them do attack shit. What them need to do is switch them out in a some happy. Enough of them I sell out, what's them the supermarket. Tell them we see the pre already, and now with them can't treat. No, them the gangster, them the shot, them the bad, I repart, there's a matter, but them need to have them roll, yeah. Living up here, after move on to another chapter. Used to break multiple fracture, but we cool now. Treat your good, so what's the matter, give them all we have to offer. Too much snake in the grass, we need a walker. Man enough, come like a flash, I don't heart to them character. I forget everything, pan a save a blotter, oh. Enough of them say them with the thing. And I'm up behind your back for try to clip your wing, know that. I posted them from them this the ring. Couldn't see already, I said them answer the shit. For sing, fool them just attack it, but all them do attack shit. What them need to do is switch them out in a some happy. Enough of them I sell out, what's them the supermarket. Tell them we see the pre already, and now with them can't treat. I'm be a premium over girl and choose a bitch over in pile. Make she turn him in a system and rate that. If you bird can't come between me, I'm a dad for me, I pre the man side.
So guys, this is the hairstyle. I get 7.5 guys. So tell me how much I get. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment and turn on the post notification bell.
Pretty little bang thing, hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls, them pretty with the contour. Man, I say you first class, so you know I got you.